Even with 100 people on the beach, we weren't making as much of an impact as we could regarding the microplastics. So this came about trying to make that microplastic collection a lot more efficient and quicker. This is an eco brick here, so it's all the plastics that cannot be reused or repurposed or recycled go into one of these. They are compressed as best they can and used as a building material in local building projects and around the community.
Once we can teach them the dangers of marine plastics, they will take better care of where they live, and we'll try to stop that spread at the source. So instead of throwing things on the road or outside on the beach, we'll actually teach them how to dispose of everything properly.